Good evening, I'm Luisa Fernanda Aguilar Hernandez, an apprentice in the International Physical Distribution Technology Program. Next, I will present a summary of the master production plan for the banana baby. This is the content of the topic. First, there is the sales and demands forecast, then the aggregate and master production plan, third, the material resource planning, and last, the production cost and production order. Here are the models for forecasting demand or sales. Among them, there are two types: time series models that are applied to short-term cases, and casual or regression models, which are applied to long-term cases. From these models or tools, the simple moving average was chosen. For the aggregate and master production plan, it begins by studying the forecast of demand or sales. Then, the master production plan is established, and finally, the planning of material resource and human resource. The demand or sales forecast shows a seasonal behavior presenting low demand in April and November and high demand in February, September, and December. The production master plan shows the weekly production month by month during a year. In the graphic, it can be seen that production tends to behave in a similar way to sales. The capacity analysis shown in this graphic is also carried out in the master production plan, which highlights the parity between required and available capacity. Material resource planning shows the consumption of materials and supplies for each kilogram of banana baby that is selected, packed, and packed. Here are the elements of the total cost of production: cost of material and raw materials, cost of labor, indirect cost of production. Here we have the unit cost of production, that is the cost of a kilogram of banana baby. Finally, the cost of a production order,